Have you ever wanted to trade with real capital but don't have the funds? Well, prop trading is probably the answer for you. This is essentially where you pay a small amount of money and they will give you an account of 10,000, 20,000, even up to 100,000 in some of these websites. So in this video, I'm going to be exploring one of these websites and actually highlighting a potential deal for you guys that you can get 30% off using our link in the description. So this is PROP365, and this allows traders that potentially may be really good traders but don't have the capital to start to actually get involved for a very small fee. And using our link in the description, you're actually going to get 30% off. But what we're going to talk about here today are really the benefits of something like this, right? And I'm just going to list these out for you. So you're going to need zero capital needed, right? So you pay a little bit and then you get a big account that you can trade with. You're going to get this funded account and access to ranging from about $5,000 up to $100,000. You're going to have an 80% profit split, which essentially means that if you make 10 grand on 100 grand, right, you will actually get 8 grand from that. And all of this is done via a challenge. So you start with a small amount, and then if you pass that challenge and you make, say, 10% profit, these guys will actually increase your account on this website. And if you actually pass this challenge, as we can see here, you will actually get your initial money that you put in refunded to you, and then you're just trading on a free roll. So how do these challenges actually work? Well, as you can see here, you can pick between different amounts that you want to start with. Obviously, the higher the amount you pick, the more you're going to pay. So this would still be super cheap, $564 for a $100,000 account. And if you make 10% on that account, they're actually going to put it through to a fully funded account, right? So you've got an evaluation stage, and then once you pass that evaluation stage and you prove you're a good trader, essentially from that point, they're going to give you that $100,000 to trade with, and then you get that 80% profit split. Now, there are some rule sets here so these guys can protect themselves. Otherwise, this would not be a viable business model, right? They want to attract good traders at the end of the day. We can see here, maximum daily loss would be 4%. So yeah, you want to have your risk reward set in a certain way that you can't lose more than 4% every day, okay? And maximum drawdown here would be 6% total. So if you get involved with a challenge like this, then you cannot lose more than 6% of the account. And that just helps these guys essentially run this entire business model where they can fund potentially very talented traders with massive amounts of money, so everyone wins. They win with their 20%, you win with the 80% profit split that you get. So with this, you're going to get support from these guys 24/7. You're going to get advanced trading tool access from these guys, so you can do your TA, you can run your analytics through these guys very, very easily, and you're going to get security and privacy from that as well. As you can see here, guys, they do create volume. People are doing this, and it is a profitable business model from these guys. So yeah, this is why I'm essentially advising you guys check this out if you are a good trader and you're looking to get a bigger amount of capital so you can earn more money. And once you've made money, the average payout time is 12 hours. And as you can see here, it only takes 48 hours to get your account approved. They're doing tens of thousands of trades per month, and the largest challenge size is massive compared to other prop trading sites. Of course, this is $100,000. This is incredible, and if you perform really, really well, I imagine they'll just give you more and more money from that point. So the lowest one here is $56, and you will get $5,000 to trade with. The next one is you get $10,000 for only $100, okay? And if you want to trade with $25,000, it's $200. And then $50,000, $300, and then $100,000 here, guys, would be that 564 that we have already covered. And this works, as I said, in 3 steps. You get an evaluation phase where you've got to hit that 10% profit target. Then you would sign the contracts in which you would be controlling a large amount of money. And then from that point, you get that 80-20 profit split and get paid on all of your trades with massive amounts of capital that you wouldn't have normally had. So how do you actually get involved with this, guys? Super, super simple. All you got to do is click the link in the description and register on this webpage. Obviously, choose the challenge that is more applicable to you. And using our link, and this is only using our link, you're going to get a 30% discount code at the checkout. All you got to do is complete the evaluation phase, as we've already explained, and then you will get the refund of the money you put in because you will be funded from that point. And as I said, it's an 80% profit split. So after that point, after you've passed your evaluation, after you're fully funded, you will be able to trade basically with someone else's money for an 80% profit split. This is ridiculously profitable when it comes to the potential of your trades. So again, all you got to do is press that start challenge button and you'll be put onto a page like this. You fill out a few details here and then you're going to get a 30% discount code using the link in the description, or just put in the code that is on the screen right now. So in summary, definitely check out prop trading on PROP365 because this is something that if you are a talented trader, if you think you're a good trader, and you think you can make it in trading, this is probably the cheapest way to get going. Again, literally under $60 to get started with a 5K account. And after you pass that evaluation stage, you get refunded your initial money and you're going to get an 80% profit split. All right, so definitely use the link in the description. Okay, this will be an offer that is a very temporary offer for this 30% off. So be sure to act on this quickly. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you guys in the next video.